What's up, guys? Welcome to the JTAG / RGH tutorials part 2. I'm gonna be showing you how to connect to a mod tool. I'm gonna be using Smoky Cough tool and Chiron Grabber. I'm gonna have Smoky Cough in the description. It's gonna be in the description to download. It's a nice tool. So first, go to your launch.ini. I'm gonna be showing you how to do this on Xbox 360 neighborhood. Make sure your plugins is like this. You can use XDRPC, but it be freezing a lot. Like XDRPC freezes a lot, so you may not have to use it. But don't use XRPC or JRPC. Don't use XRPC or JRPC because JRPC 2 is the updated version of JRPC. XRPC is the updated version. RPC is the updated version. XRPC. After that, go File, Save. Go to Neighborhood. Go to JTAG, reach your hard drive, sunshine and drag it and press yes to all, and then reboot it. You can do this. If you cold reboot it, it's gonna have the controller still on when you reboot it, and then after that you can manually turn it off. You can manually turn off the Xbox by the button. And then launch up a game, launch up a game that's on the tool. You can preview the tool. And then there you go. I'm already connected. Let's make sure that we connected again. It should say connected to console. Go to MW3 pregame. And I'm gonna change my name. I'm gonna change it to my IG. Make sure you follow that. And we're gonna put it on rainbow. Well, not rainbow. There we go. Now it's changed. Sometimes it's glitchy, but it works in BO2. And I might freeze my Xbox on MW3, so I'll turn off the rainbow. Turn it off. Look. Turn it off. Set. There you go. Now, let me show you how to do it on IP puller. The grabber. This loads up hella fast. I recommend this. Look how many games it got. Now connect to the console. It's connected. And I'm gonna go into a game and put IPs right quick. I'll be back. There you go. I don't know if I can pull it in pregame. Yeah, there you go. You can pull it. There you go. That's how you pull it. And this is proof that my name is changed. But yeah, if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. And I'll put this tool in the description. Smoky Call, free tool. I'll put it in the description. Yeah. Peace out. See y'all in the next one.